Aswell Hall is home to both first-year and returning female residents. It is located in the heart of campus near the Student Center, Tolliver Hall, and Centennial Tower. Most rooms were originally designed to house 3 residents and consists of 3 built-in desks, shelves, and closets. However, we have transitioned to housing only 2 residents per room, which enables roommates to have more personal space. The room provides 2 twin beds, one for each roommate, as well as a sink and mirror. Residents on each floor share a common bathroom, which is cleaned twice daily during the week and once daily on weekends by our housekeeping staff. Each floor also has a community kitchen and study. The laundry room is shared between Adams, Aswell, and Dudley Hall and is located in Adams Hall. Our staff consists of 1 hall director and a resident assistant on each floor, who strive to plan social gathering events for students to build long-lasting relationships. The large common lounge is often utilized by residents for such gatherings and study group meetings. The tight-knit community has a special place in our hearts, and we believe previous residents would say the same. We can't wait to see you in the fall. Go Dogs!